Understanding gluten, composition, health effects, and dietary considerations. Introduction. Today we're diving into a topic that touches both our plates and our health, gluten. Whether you're a baker, a health-conscious eater, or simply curious, this presentation will help you understand what gluten is, how it functions in food, and why it matters in our diets. Let's explore its science, its impact, and the choices it inspires. Agenda highlights. Here's what we'll cover: what gluten is and where it's found, its functional uses in food preparation, health implications of gluten consumption, gluten-free alternatives and lifestyle considerations. Section 1. Defining gluten and its role in foods. Gluten is a group of proteins that gives dough its elasticity and chewy texture. It's naturally present in grains like wheat, barley, and rye, making it a staple in many everyday foods. What gluten is and where it is found. You'll find gluten in breads, pastas, cereals, and a wide range of processed foods. Its presence is widespread, which makes awareness essential for those managing gluten-related conditions. The molecular structure and properties of gluten. Gluten is made up of two main proteins, gliadin and glutenin. Together, they form an elastic network that gives dough its structure and affects baking quality. This network is what allows bread to rise and hold its shape. Common sources of gluten in everyday diets. Beyond obvious sources like bread and pasta, gluten often hides in processed foods, soups, sauces, and snacks. Knowing where gluten lurks is key to managing intake. Section 2. Functional uses of gluten in food preparation. Gluten's role in baking and texture. Gluten gives dough its stretch and strength, helping it rise and hold form. It also creates the chewy texture we associate with artisan breads and baked goods. Gluten's contribution to taste and appearance. It plays a role in browning and crust development, enhancing flavor and visual appeal. Gluten also helps retain moisture, improving the overall eating experience. Industrial applications. Beyond food. Gluten's binding properties extend beyond the kitchen. It's used in adhesives, paper production, and even biodegradable plastics, showing its versatility in industrial settings. Section 3. Health implications of gluten consumption. Celiac disease and gluten sensitivity. Celiac disease is an autoimmune disorder triggered by gluten, damaging the intestinal lining. Gluten sensitivity, while not autoimmune, can cause similar symptoms. Both require dietary management through gluten avoidance. Symptoms and diagnosis of gluten-related disorders. Symptoms range from digestive distress to fatigue and neurological issues. Diagnosis typically involves blood tests and, in some cases, an intestinal biopsy. Gluten-free diets and their benefits. For those with celiac disease, a gluten-free diet is essential. People with gluten sensitivity may also find relief and improved well-being by eliminating gluten from their diets. Section 4. Gluten-free alternatives and lifestyle choices. Popular gluten-free grains and substitutes. Grains like rice, quinoa, corn, and millet offer safe alternatives. Flours made from almonds, coconut, and chickpeas are popular for gluten-free baking. Challenges of maintaining a gluten-free diet. Cross-contamination, limited product availability, and social dining challenges can make gluten-free living difficult. Planning and awareness are key to success. Label reading and identifying hidden sources of gluten. Reading labels is critical. Ingredients like malt, wheat starch, and certain preservatives may contain gluten, so vigilance is essential. Conclusion. Gluten plays a vital role in food science, contributing to texture, taste, and structure. But for many, it also presents health challenges. By understanding gluten's properties and implications, we empower ourselves to make informed dietary choices, whether embracing it or avoiding it. Thank you for joining this exploration of gluten's complex and fascinating story.